Hello friends! Welcome to my channel Mila English, where stories make learning English fun and easy. Today's story is funny, simple, and full of new English words. So stay till the end and let's begin our journey of learning English through stories. Please delete the video.
I will, but we have one condition.
Are you trying to blackmail me? What condition? Let me hear it.
Nothing much. You just have to give the two of us a treat.
All right, I agree. But the video must be deleted as soon as you give the treat.
Okay, done.
You took advantage of my situation today and did all this to me. Fine. My time will come too. And then I'll see you all.
You've been thinking all this time? Mila, come on. Let's go right now.
Nothing, let's go. Only God knows how much money you all will squeeze out of my pocket today.
Today we're going to empty Mila's pocket completely. Ha ha ha.
You're absolutely right. Today we've caught her at the perfect time.
What are you two whispering about?
Nothing. Actually, Ela is really hungry. That's what she was saying.
We're almost there, just a little more. We've arrived at the restaurant. Let's go inside.
Hurry up, let's go. I can't wait even for a moment.
Max, don't be so cheeky.
If you want to eat, then hurry inside. Otherwise, I'll go home.
No, 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 no. We won't leave here without the treat.
All right, tell me what you want to eat. I'll order exactly that.
I'll have pizza, burger, and Coke.
I'll have a chicken sandwich and grilled kebab.
No, no, no. I can't buy all this. I don't have that much money. Have the burger and chicken grill. Today, I'll treat you to the rest another day.
No, no. No skipping the rest. We want to eat everything today.
And if you don't do it, we'll share your reels. Remember.
No, no. Don't do it, please. All right, I'll order everything.
You've been standing here for a long time. If you want to order something, then do it. Otherwise, step aside from here.
Give us a pizza, burger, chicken grill, and sandwich with a Coke.
All right, wait a little. I'm giving it to you.
Okay, let's go and sit.
Why didn't you order anything for yourself? And why aren't you eating anything?
I'm not in the mood to eat. You guys go ahead.
Don't worry, Mila. We're here, and a little fun will cheer you up.
Yes, look at all the delicious food. Maybe eating will make you feel better. Mila, sing your song for us once.
Okay.
Wake up, sunshine bright. I'm Mila, Mila's Maya. Spin around, twirl with delight. Morning sparkles, oh so bright. That is
Your song is very beautiful. Go audition and then start.
All right, I will give it my all. The next day.
Wake up, sunshine bright. Sun brush my hair, I feel so light. Woman tipping hand, I'm Mila. Mila's Maya, sparkling heart stretch, yawn, peek into mirror. Dress up quick, the day's begun. Mila's ready, let's have some fun. Dancer spin around, twirl with delight, morning sparkles, oh so bright. Sun face dad is calling, come my star. Glowing star kebab time, it's not too far. Yummy face run fast, Mila, don't be late. Yummy
Look at
food is on your
her.
plate. Fork and
Mila's
knife with
voice
plate
is
singing,
so
laughing,
beautiful.
having fun, morning adventures have begun. Jump, spin, giggle, play, Mila's bright and happy day. Rainbow hee hee, ready to shine, I'm Mila. Sparkling heart, let's eat, laugh, and play today. Party popper, brush my teeth,
Listening
comb
to
my
her
hair,
singing
fun and happiness
touches the
everywhere.
heart directly.
Open mouth, smile, wave hello to everyone.
I've never
Good morning,
heard such
day
a
has just
beautiful
begun.
melody and voice
Sun face,
before.
sing with me, dance along, life is fun, let's all be strong. Dancer, wake up world, come join me. Mila's here, so happy.
I could
See,
listen to it
rainbow
again
hee hee.
and
I'm
again.
Mila, Mila's
It's
Maya.
truly
Sparkling
magical.
heart, let's play, laugh, and eat all day. Fork and knife with plate.
Mila's singing is enchanting all of us.
Mila, your voice is truly amazing. You are selected for the next round.
Your performance impressed us. We want you to sing in the next round too.
Thank you. I'm really happy that I can move on to the next round. You have inspired me by giving me this opportunity.
There is magic in your voice. We look forward to seeing you in the next round.
Mila, you captivated everyone. Your spot in the next round is confirmed.
I will prepare even better and sing an amazing song for everyone. I'll try to make my singing captivate everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. Dad, I'm very happy today.
Just by looking at your face, it's obvious.
What is the reason for so much happiness?
I got first place in the singing competition, and I'm also selected for the next round.
Wow! You're amazing. We're all so proud.
Thank you. I'll prepare even better and have more fun in the next round.
We know you'll captivate everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the next episode, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.